was kissing you with my eyes open, but you said keep them closed and be in the moment. So I did my best to make you feel wanted. But what about what I want? What about what I want? And what I wanted was to crash with my dumb friends on the weekend instead of watching a movie. But you wanted me to be what you need instead of being me. Oh, and that's how I knew it. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. 'Cause someday I'll love someone like I love me. Might have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 I would tell you everything I believed in, but you said shut it off, you're too old for dreaming. So I did my best to feel what you're feeling. But what about what I want? What about what I want? 'Cause what I wanted was to laugh at the way you laugh at the way I laugh, but instead you were moody. And you wanted me to be what you need instead of being me. Oh, and that's how I knew it. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. 'Cause someday I'll love someone like I love me. Might have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 and that's okay with me. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 Sometimes I start to wonder if I should change my mind. But when I think back to you, I feel the same every time. 'Cause I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. 'Cause someday I'll love someone like I love me. Might have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 and that's okay with me. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 and that's okay with me.
I know we'd be more than a moment, but would we be a waste of time? I know I like it when you hold me, but do I wanna call you mine? I swear I'm not trying to lead you on. I promise I'm not lying, I don't know what I want. And I swear I've been weighing these pros and cons, but I'm still nowhere closer to saying what we're not. Do I like you, or do I like the attention? Do I like that you see me when no one else does? Do I like that it's easy to figure you out? If I can have you now, then easy's what I'm about. I think you might be the wrong person, but you found me at the right time. And I don't wanna leave you hurting, so I've been keeping you in mind. I wish I could tell you just how I feel, but I'm just so conflicted, I can't tell you what's real. I'm trying to find Cupid, so it's my heart of steel, but all these bows and arrows still haven't revealed if I like you, or if I like the attention. If I like that you see me when no one else does. If I like that it's easy to figure you out. If I can have you now, then easy's what I'm about. Do I want you, or do I want the commitment? Do I like that you're near me, or so easy. It'd be so easy. Heard voices in the night, whispers of double lives. Saw back from where your knife went in. Dark eyes without a face. Now that I'm on the case, LA confidential, I deal with the devil, I won't leave a trace. Watching every move you're making, I'll keep my guard up, lie awake, and now you've crossed that line. I'm up all night, I'm gonna sleep with one eye open. The trust we made went broke, lost in mirrors and smoke. You laughed, but now the joke's on you. Look closely where you step. Look right and to the left. 'Cause you got a sickness and I got a witness you'll never suspect. Watching every move you're making, I'll keep my guard up, lie awake, and now you've crossed that line. I'm up all night, I'm gonna sleep with one eye open. Wait for when you're gonna trip, and if you do, I'll make sure you admit you picked the wrong side. Now I'm right behind, you better sleep with one eye open. You better keep one open. You better keep one open.
I just want to say that I have black eyeshadow and glitter all over my face from here. And I have a pimple that doesn't look cute to me. Actually, I plan to film a get ready with me today, but that pimple just makes me feel so uncomfortable. So I filmed an in-depth tutorial about eyeliner instead so that I don't have to film this pimple. To be honest, I feel a little bit insecure. I think it's human and it's a young thing to have pimples, but I'm not gonna lie, I feel quite not so confident in showing this pimple on camera so much, so
You picked the wrong side.